デンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだ。
Oh my god, why am I about to cry? I want to see if I am safe to upload these anime, and I want to test it out not only with Stone Ocean, because that is back as well, but with Chainsaw Man. Want to check out the first episode? See how it goes. Season 1, Episode 1, Dog and Chainsaw. No jump scares, right? As I say that, my husband just dropped something on the floor. Y'all didn't hear it, but I heard it. I'm nervous. Knock, knock. Okay.
仕事行くか。
All right.
木切って月収6万だろ。
Then there's the kidney I sold. That was 1.2. What?
右目が
You
30。
okay?
金玉片方打って。
Okay. All right. This man has sold off his eye, his kidney, and his balls. What? I'm sure I'm gonna find out the reason why.
残りの借金が
You owe money.
3804万円。
Wow. Oh.
落ちた。さっさと殺しちまうか。
What? Roll with it. Double hunted pays the best. Okay, that's the double.
やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Eyeballs are just driving me insane. Okay. Oh. Interesting so far. And I'm assuming that's the Chainsaw Man right there. I mean,
Well, duh.
wow.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。
Tomato Devil.
報酬は40万だ。
おざす。
そこから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費。
How much he gets?
これが7万。
Jeez.
家に食いもんねえし、今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから。落ちた。今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
A slice of bread. Wow.
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
Oh. He's paying off his father's debt?
このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。マジっすか。いただきます。ああ。へえ。これで3日は食えるね。普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。
Normal people put bread on their jams.
なんて夢の話だけどな。
This is sad.
こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし。
Yeah, it is sad.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
Oh no, more sadness.
今月の分も払わねえうちに首吊りやがって。
He did that because he's in so much debt, leaves his child behind, and you getting up. Yeah, well, I doubt you give any. I highly doubt. Doesn't look like you give a damn anyway, so yeah, I guess I don't really like you at the moment, but you know, whatever. You're just doing your job, so it don't matter either way.
恋するなり体売るなりして、
Wow.
明日まで70万用意しろ。
Are you shitting me?
俺を殺すなら殺せよ。どうせ死ぬんだ。
Oh. He found his dad?
悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。いいだろ。
Oh my my god, now what? What is this?
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
An endless cycle. Oh my goodness gracious.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？
No, only probably setting you up.
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
はあ。
Okay, and your point
で
is?
も俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Why? What? 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 So we did like you and made a deal with a devil.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。
Holy shit. The image of that body right there. Oh, I'm gonna be grossed out by this show. Beautifully grossed out.
その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。僕ゾンビの悪魔だから殺しちゃうんだ。そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
But aren't you a main character?
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに、とも叶えられねえのかよ。
What the hell? They did put him in the trash can. Oh my god, they deadass put him in the trash.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。俺の体をポチタにあげて。
Okay, now it's making sense. So he deadass died.
ヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Wow. So he just took over his body though, right?
俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか？
Oh.
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだっ
Oh
た。
my god, why am I about to cry?
私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
どうした？
Oh my god.
ポチタ。どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？
俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。
Oh my goodness.
死ねえ！さっきの雑魚悪魔が体を乗っ取ったのか？じゃあ仲間だな。
Slice them in half. That man made the worst deal ever. That's cleared.
先を越されたね。これ君がやったの？
だがす。
人だ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってさ。
最高じゃないっすか。
Quick and to the point with that one. Deji is now this is a devil. He has a girl hugging him, even though I don't know. Maybe that might be his girl. I don't know. Possibly. There's a girl, and there's jam and bread. It had me for a second. I thought I was gonna cry, but I see it's the beginning. It's the very beginning of who Chainsaw Man. They went right into it. How did he become Chainsaw Man? Who is Chainsaw Man? He actually died though. That part kind of really messed me up. But in a way, he's not really dead. The other guy had a bad deal with the devil. Oh well, too bad, so sad. I don't care. It's good to know that I don't have to see him no more. But I am intrigued to see how this goes when I upload this and see if it goes well. If it goes well, we can continue on. Like I said, JoJo Stone Ocean is going to be back in rotation as well. Y'all can look out for that one. But there we go, Blaze Squad. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you blaze up the like button. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, go ahead and comment Chainsaw Man episode 1. And I'll see you guys in episode 2.